Did you know that the 2011 Tōhoku Tsunami in Japan caused widespread destruction, claiming over 15,000 lives and sparking a nuclear disaster? On March 11, 2011, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck Japan, triggering a tsunami with waves reaching up to 40 meters. Entire towns were washed away by the powerful surge of water. The disaster didn't stop there. The tsunami caused a meltdown at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, releasing dangerous radiation into the environment. More than 15,000 people were killed, and the effects are still being felt as Japan rebuilds its coastal communities. The Tōhoku Tsunami serves as a stark reminder of nature's overwhelming power and the need for preparedness. If the devastation of Tōhoku moved you, subscribe now for more dramatic moments that changed the course of history.